Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking. I'm here at the BEMA Annual Convention, and we just learned a ton of new information about NEXUS, powered by BEMA and ABA. It's taking place September 25th through 28th at the Omni in Dallas, and we just found out things like who's attending, how to register, and how to purchase Spark sessions. You can learn all about it at nexusofbaking.com, but let's see what people at BEMA Convention have to say. What are you most excited about attending NEXUS?
Well, I think as with all BEMA events, we're really looking forward to the networking, the collaboration with both our allied partners and our customers. Really excited about the additional opportunities for education that we hope is going to really benefit the industry going forward.
I'm really excited that we get to bring our team together along with all of our vendors, our equipment manufacturers, and more notably about ABA and BEMA coming together.
Rademacher is so excited to go to NEXUS for obviously the network connections, but we're really excited about the Spark sessions and the fact that we're going to have that quality one-on-one project-specific time with our customers.
I'm most excited about having different levels of our organization come to NEXUS and then meet different levels of the organizations from different vendor companies. So I think the Spark sessions are going to be really cool and be able to immerse in what our vendors can provide us with new technology.
I am most excited to have everyone in Dallas, so that way they can come visit the bakery, whoever's available to. And also the Omni Hotel is one of our clients, so to have some really fun breads available for everyone to try and enjoy at that NEXUS will be a lot of fun.
I think I am most excited about the education. I think that's going to be great. I think the ABA Forum keynote speaker is going to be awesome. I'm looking forward to the ATBI Top Golf event, which is going to be really fun. So there's lots of things I'm looking forward to, actually.
All right, well, I'm looking forward to seeing you there.
Great, I'll see you.